Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Robinhood for tax form exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Robinhood for tax form exports, start by visiting the Robinhood website or opening the app. Log into your existing account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your email, phone number, and social security number. After inputting your details, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, complete any additional steps required for identity verification. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Tax Documents section. Here, you can view and download your tax forms for the current tax year. Be sure to check any notifications related to tax documents, as these will inform you of when they become available. Select the appropriate tax form, which may include your 1099 forms or other relevant documents. Download the forms directly to your device for your records. Keep these documents organized, as you'll need them for tax filing purposes. If you encounter any issues while registering or accessing your tax forms, reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. Follow these steps carefully to ensure that you can access your tax form exports smoothly. Your tax paperwork is now ready for your filing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.